In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make passive income on Itsy. I'm going to go over the top 5 products you should try right now. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can do this with 0 design skills. Plus, if you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you the secret to finding the products that are making money right now so you can get started and see that money rolling in. And if it's your first time on this channel and you're interested in passive income, you're going to want to make sure that you drop the subscribe below because I'm creating tons of videos on how you can make money through passive income. So let's go. We're on the Itsy website right now. I'm going to share with you 2 words that is going to make this all make sense. And those 2 words are Canva template. Now you can see here, as soon as I press the space bar, it's opening up all these different options, right? So I'm just going to focus on the top 5 of these. Now, what Itsy is doing is very much like Google. Google actually has this autofill concept when you're searching on Google based on what other people have searched for. So if you know something's in that list, you know it's being searched for, and if it's being searched for, there's a good chance it's being bought, which is where the money comes in. So you can look at Canva template wedding. Now there's a ton of these already being sold, which is pretty darn cool. You can see some of them sell in the hundreds, if not thousands as well. So you know there's money to be made. Next one is Canva template Instagram. Again, there's hundreds of these being sold, if not thousands of them. And you know what? Sometimes the amount is pretty astounding. If you do the math, I'm gonna try and do the math real quick. You'd be surprised that just this one listing has made £58,545. That's crazy. Now, before we go any further, it's important to note that if you're not a graphic designer, you can actually have these done for you if you use Fiverr, right? And if you haven't used Fiverr before, this is a great resource to get done for you things and, well, pretty much anything done for you for a small price. So if we go back to a couple of the examples I've started out with, we look at the results for Canva template wedding. There's 140 people willing to do this for less than £5. Canva Instagram templates, over 7,500 people willing to do this for you for under £5. And the list goes on. We've got template planners here as well. There's over 1,000 people willing to do that for, actually no, it's more than that. Over 2,300 people willing to put a template together on Canva for you. 2 more, Canva template invitation. Again, look at the numbers. This one here sold 4,500 of them for $726. That's crazy. And last in this list is the Canva template for business. And again, look at the numbers. The numbers don't lie. This one here, over 4,500 again. This one, 1,500. This one here, oh my God, 14,417. Let's go do those maths again. That is 62,137 just from one listing. Now, wouldn't it be awesome if you saw these listings and you knew instantly which ones are gonna make you money, i.e. which ones are selling right now? So you can go to someone on Fiverr and say, this is the sort of thing that I want. Go ahead and build it for a Fiverr, uplist it to Itsy, and then you can sit back and make that passive income. Well, now you can. There is an app out there called Sale Samurai. Now, if you have a look at this, this is not only gonna tell you the search volume, you can actually put individual products in there as well. So you can actually go ahead and see how much things are selling for and how often people are selling it. And of course, the most important thing is how much money you can make from this. Each listing should only take a couple of minutes to upload, so your actual time involved in it is minimal, but the results could be absolutely scalable as well. If I was starting out with this right now, I'd be looking at putting 5, 10, maybe 15 or up to 20 products right up there and testing out which ones are going to sell and which ones don't, and then rinse and repeat. So any ones that don't sell after a couple of weeks, get rid of those, try new ideas and keep scaling up until you've got consistent sales between 10 and 20 of these items on Itsy. And that's where the passive income comes in. Now, as I said, if you've seen the channel before, you know that I'm all about passive income. In fact, I've actually put together a 7 steps guide to earning passive income through affiliate marketing. So if you want to go ahead and get that, the link will be in the description. And of course, if you want to get started and really get serious with passive income, then I suggest you watch this video next.